Just remember, no one have right to play with heart of anyone. You are a precious person. Everyone is precious in their life. Hi, I am Abhishek and welcome to my YouTube channel. In our life, sometimes some persons may come close to us. It may be in college days or in our workplaces or in social medias. They will come close to us, and slowly they will be attracted towards us and we will be attracted towards them, and slowly this attraction will convert into love, and we will think that we are loving them wholeheartedly, and this is a true love. But one time will come when that person will leave us by telling some reasons, like their father is not accepting, or they are loving some other persons, or they have some different career plans. So now what should we do now? Should we be depressed, or should we be sad, or should we cry by remembering the past? So one thing, dear friends, if we are loving someone and they left us, so we must be happy because we are lucky, because someone who have never loved us have left us, and they are unlucky because they have left a person who have loved them more than their life. So if you are in that situation right now, then don't worry. In this video I will tell you a method by which you can forget them forever. So before going to that method, let me ask you a question. If I have a glass and if I want to make this glass as small, what should I do? Just simple, dear friends. Just take a big glass and keep beside it. So the smaller glass will become small automatically. Similarly, this is what happens in our mind. What is love? It is an emotional feeling in our life. So if that feeling is to be vanished from our life, then we must create another emotional feeling. And another emotional feeling may be love towards our parents. We must realize their importance, and we must realize the sacrifices that they have made, and we must think about them. We must think that if we are becoming something great personality in future, then how they will feel proud of us. Similarly, we may have the emotional feeling of our parent, or another emotional feeling may be towards our career. From childhood onwards, if we have some aim that we have to do this, so we can put our entire feeling in that career, and we can visualize that what will happen after accomplishing that career, how I will be there, how people will respect me, and we can realize the happiness that it makes when we get it. So slowly you think about them daily. You think today, tomorrow, and daily you think slowly. So choose one emotional feeling and just think about them, and slowly make it bigger. And one day will come when it will take 100% of your brain. So there won't be any place for feeling of the love, of the betrayal of that person. So through this way you can forget them throughout your life. Yeah, I would like to give you a bonus suggestion. Just remember, no one have right to play with heart of anyone. You are a precious person. Everyone is precious in their life. No person have the right to play with heart of you. Pretend that they are loving you and leave you one day. So they are playing with the heart of you. So dear friend, just remember one thing. Just follow the method that I have told before, and by following them, just remember one point. Don't keep that person in your heart, and also don't keep them in your brain, because sometimes what happens means, if someone is leaving us, then we will get angry on them. We will think about them, how they have done. We will dwell in the past, and indirectly we are spoiling our own health. So dear friends, neither keep them in your heart nor in your brain. So leave them from your brain also. How can you do that? Just think that that person is dead for you. Just remember that person is no more for you, and after that just leave that person from your brain also. And slowly, if some time after later, if that person comes to you and they tell sorry, then just kick them off from your life. Because if someone have betrayed you today, then there is possibility that they can betray you tomorrow also. They can betray you whenever chance they will get. So remember these points, dear friends. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and be healthy, be happy, and be prosperous in your life. Thank you, dear friends.